Hey there, as a lender client of Listings to Leads, you've got 36 branded PDF guides that you can run Facebook lead ads for related to the buying process of real estate, different loan programs available, but all geared towards buyers in your local area. You've got another 20 plus PDF guides that are branded to you for sellers as well. But in this video, I want to focus on these PDF guides to use as a Facebook lead ad. So check this out. Great ad here. So this one in particular is on Free Guide to Conventional Loans. All this is completely editable, but people click the ad and you are going to get the name, email, and phone number as the lender client of Listings to Leads. They click next. They're going to go through to a download page where they can download the PDF guide. They'll also be sent an autoresponder with the download link in that as well to the branded PDF guide related to this particular topic. All right. So in your Listings to Leads account, you've got 36 of these for buyers and you got 20 plus for sellers. All right. So in Listings to Leads, I'm going to take you first to the library here. So click on the library tab and then from there, click on media from L to L. And here you're going to see all these PDF guides. All right. So I'm going to click on settings because I want to show you, first of all, you can change the colors. So we have a lot of preset color palettes. You can also use your default color palette. You can also create a custom color palette. All right. Do note these are also in English and Spanish. So if I go to Spanish and save, not only are the entire guides in Spanish, not just the cover page, the entire guide is in Spanish, but so is that Facebook ad. All right. Now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to turn this back into English. And for any of these guides that you see here, you can click on them. You can download them right from this page here and check them out both in English and Spanish. All right. So I'm going to close that. And now I'm going to walk you through how to do a Facebook lead ad using these guides. All right. So I'm going to go to the ads tab right here. Now, if you've never run an ad through Listings to Leads, you're going to see a wizard here. Just click through the wizard, right? Allow all the permissions that are asked for and just click through the wizard and it'll drop you back off on this page here. And then once you're back here, click Create PDF Report Ad. All right, all the PDF guides will come here. Now click Buyer Reports. And here you'll see all the ones dedicated to lenders only. So you as a lender client of Listings to Leads have access to these guides. All right, so I'm going to click on one. I'll just do Harp Loan. It doesn't matter. I just want to show you how these all work. All you have to do, type in location. We've got real estate housing ad category pre-selected already by default. You can change any of the stuff that you want to. We default to $35 for 1 week. But again, I could change that to $50 or say $40. I can change the end date to whatever I want it to be. And notice also, I can click change media and I can even upload a video. So if you have any videos on any topic at all right, you can upload both videos and images here. Use any of our standard image templates here. And we got videos for some of these PDF guides as well. You can also do retargeting if you got a custom audience. Like for example, if I got my custom buyer audience that I want to retarget to, I can that way. And you can also click on advanced options and you have a lot more options under there as well. But for the most part, all you got to do is type in the city or the area that you want to market to. You can even type in multiple areas and then click the green button for publish. And that's all you have to do. It's literally that easy. All right. Once you see the ad back here, you can click on the eyeball where it says view ad. And this will let you view the ad. Now, if you do it too quick, it'll say no. It kind of gives you a weird message like this. But if I refresh the page here, there you go. There's the ad. Click the blue show ad button right here. And that will take you to the actual real ad itself. All right, so you can come down here. And here's that ad that we just did. Have you ever done a Facebook lead ad this fast? Right, I highly doubt it because I talk to agents, I talk to coaches, I talk to brokers all day long, and none of them are running Facebook lead ads this quick and this easy with this many options. All right, so here's that ad that we just did. People click, and again, there's the name, email, and phone number. I'm going to click next, submit, send report. And again, here's the page I come to for the guide. I'm also going to get an autoresponder with the PDF guide download link in it. But click download, and that will open up the PDF guide for me to look through. And now you've got an awesome reason for following up with me as a lead, because you know I just inquired on information regarding HARP loans and replacement options in 2021. All right. So what we highly recommend is run 1 to 2 of these a week and change them up all the time so that people see different PDF guides, because some are going to respond well to one and maybe and somebody else respond better to another one. So try not to run the same ad or two every single week, but kind of change it up a little bit and let people again see different types of content that you can provide them. All right. So also note that every agent in your lender's account has access to this as well. Now, they won't have the lender guides as options to do ads for. Only you as a lender have those, but all the agents in your lender account with listings to leads have access to all the other buyer guides, right? And there's like 25 plus that they'll have access to for buyer guides, all of these. And all the agents in your account will have access to the seller guides as well. And they're all branded to the agents in your account. And they're all going to help your agents generate more leads for themselves as well, while you're generating leads for your business. All right. So if you have any questions on this, by all means, please let us know how we can help you, and we'll talk to you soon.